We're here today near Fareham to have a look at what's really an iconic and classic blue water cruiser now. This is a Warrior 40 named Zulu Warrior. She's a 1990 boat, but she was re-engined in 2005 and she's been extensively upgraded and refitted primarily in 2015 and 2017. Her full specification is on our website at www.jryachts.com. And the purpose of this video is just to give you an overall first impression of her current condition and how she looks. She's set up for blue water cruising. She has solar panels, she has a wind generator. But she also has, as you can see at the stern, she has a hydrovane as well, which fits through the bathing platform. So I'll now give you a walk through around her decks and then we'll go below. We'll begin at the bow where you can see her staysail and her genoa. And I'll now turn you round and we'll have a look at these decks because they are super wide and really easy to get about on. She's got Kemp spars and she was actually re-rigged in 2015. The granny bars here make reefing at the mast very easy, very comfortable. And there we can see solar panels we were talking about earlier on her spray hood. And the cockpit on the Warrior 40 is particularly deep, so offshore work, it's a very safe place to be. There's her pedestal, you can see she's fitted with a bow thruster as her bow thruster controls. Let's get into this cockpit. It's got a Raymarine plotter at the helm. And then as we look forward under the spray hood into the companionway, you can see she's got ST60 instruments there as well. So we'll go below and we'll have a look at how she's laid out. So here we are down below on Zulu Warrior. There are a number of different layouts on the Warrior 40, so the purpose of this video is to give you a general idea of her overall first impression and condition, but also let you see how this particular boat is laid out. So we're starting the saloon. It's an incredibly spacious saloon on the Warrior 40 for their size. Got very comfortable seating. The saloon table there almost doubles in size. It opens up and there are various flaps that then hold an extra leaf of the table. But I think one of the nicest things about being down below here is that you've got eye level portholes, but then you've also got these higher port lights that are almost like a deck saloon, and they just bring in lots and lots of natural light. So the same thing happens over on the port side where we've got the galley, but you've got an eye level port light and then a higher one, so there's lots of natural light in here. Good space in your galley. It's a linear galley, but it's very secure because you've got this backrest here from the settee. And then we'll walk forward. And woodwork's in lovely condition. There's a useful leaf that folds down, so that will also fold out of the way when you're not using it for preparing food. And then we go through into a cavernous forward cabin. So this is the owner's master suite. Lots of stowage. You can see I'm stowing our jackets while we make this video. A nice seating area. And then we've got a forward V berth, which is very much on the generous side. Lots and lots of stowage, lockers and drawers throughout this cabin. I'm going to just come around, because on our right, which is the port side, we've also got in here the owner's head and shower. In the shower you can either stand up in, or you can sit down too. So this is a really comfortable forward cabin for the size of boat, I think. And come back out and go back through into the saloon. You can see all that natural light again. Alright, I'll continue walking through. So aft, on the starboard side, is the second heads. And then also on the starboard side you have a single cabin, but it's actually got two berths in it. So lower down is a larger single, and lots of stowage as well. And then just outboard of that and higher up is another single. You can see that we've got some items stowed below at the moment. Now access to the engine is very good because it's behind these steps, but also on both sides, and that engine was a replacement in 2005. And then here there's another cabin with it's really a very large single or a more cosy double. And it also houses the chart table. So this is a passage berth cabin really. And there's a chart table. And as I say, full details on our website at www.jryachts.com in terms of the specification, but she was extensively refitted in 2015 through to 2017. And then we'll go back out into her saloon. For a final look round.